think Hawaii is like no other place. Anyone who has spent time there probably understands my passion and wanting to share it with their friends and family. However, decades of tourism have scarred these beautiful islands. Hawaii's natural beauty and welcoming spirit of aloha have given us all so much. Now it's time to give something back. Malama, which means to take care of, is a growing movement to renew and restore the beauty of the Hawaiian Islands. The purpose of the Malama Hawaii initiative is not only to help protect and preserve Hawaii for future, but to offer travelers a more meaningful and enriching travel experience, allowing them to form deeper connections to Hawaii's people, culture, and place. I can help you include mindful Malama-inspired activities for your next Hawaiian travel itinerary. Find out more at iTravelEarth.